Okay, so this is the Bee's Knees Raw Honeycomb out of Brooklyn, New York, Bushwick Kitchens. They sent this to us so that we could show it to you. And we're just going to open it up here, but you can see it's in a really nicely sealed container. It hasn't been leaking at all. And we're just going to pull this little tab right here. Here, I'll let you pull this little sticky tab. Just pull it. It's wrapped around the box there.
I see. Okay.
And you're going to pull it. Oops, it restuck. There you go. Okay. You're just going to pull that around.
Don't you love that name? Bee's Knees?
Bee's Knees, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I've never had honeycomb before. So
Me either.
Really,
let's take a look and see how it turns out there.
Really well sealed.
It is very well sealed, that's for sure.
Okay, there we go.
All right, let's see what we can find out here. Okay, so here's the second seal. We took the black label off, and now we are taking the white seal off, which is good. And so it definitely didn't have a chance of leaking, did it?
Here we go.
Keep going. There you go. There you go. I think maybe we got the lid unsealed now, maybe.
Yep.
Okay, we're going to see if we can open this up. Okay, the box is sticky now. And you can see there it is. It's kind of stuck to the top a little bit. But there's a big old chunk of honeycomb. Probably about, 4 or 5 inches that way. And about 1.5, 2 inches this way. So we're going to put a little bit on a cracker and see. You want to just stick your finger in?
I do.
Okay. I kind of thought you did.
Oh, interesting. Okay. I'm going to have a little taste.
Okay. How's that?
That's good.
I'm going to put some on a cracker here. Okay, so you can see there we got a little bit of the juicy from along the side there. And we put a little bit on this corner of the cracker, and then we put a chunk of the honeycomb right there in the middle of the cracker. So we're going to... How did it taste?
It's really, really good honey.
It's interesting. I've never had raw honeycomb before. Well, I can imagine putting that out for your guests and stuff.
Yeah,
if you're having a party. Can't you imagine?
I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to try another bite?
A little bite, yeah.
Do you want it on a cracker?
Yeah, a little bit on a cracker.
Okay. How's that?
It's good.
Yeah, okay. Good stuff. Thanks for sending that. Appreciate that.